Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. We are getting ready to go Christmas shopping and I just put on some makeup to look like a real human being today, and it actually feels really good and I am loving my makeup today. So instead of doing it here on camera since I did the other day, I thought I would just share really quick what all I used. So for foundation, you can probably guess I used the Tarte Concealer, and then I did my Tarte CC under eye corrector along with Shape Tape, and then I set my under eyes with the Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette that I talked about in my makeup favorites video, and I used this yellow powder. And then I did use a translucent setting powder to set the rest of my face, but then I went on top of it with the Hourglass lighting powder. This is the shade Luminous Light, so it's the ambient lighting powder. And I should have just set my face with this instead of both, but oh well, I'll know next time. I actually found this whenever I was trying to find products for my makeup favorites and decided to use it again, and I love it. I need to use it more often because it just gives my skin an all over glow. And of course, there goes Daisy barking. So I did that, and then I brought out the old MAC Melba blush, also another product I talked about. And then for my eyeshadow, I used the Morphe 35C, once again another product from my favorites video. So I will leave that down below in the description bar in case y'all missed it. I share like a whole face of favorites, and I did, I think, just about my top 5 favorite in every category except for 3, I think. And then I did the MAC Extended Play Giga Black mascara for my lower lashes, and for my lower waterline I used the Tarte Easy on the Eyes clay liner. And oh, for brows, same thing I've been doing. Did the front with the Benefit Brow Micro Filling Pen, and then filled in the rest with the Gucci brow pencil, and I think that's it. And then for lips, I'll probably just use my NARS lip oil just because, I don't know, I don't need to be fancy. We're just going shopping, even though my makeup looks a little more than I intended. I was just going to do like a simple eye with some bronzer in the crease, but then I was like, you know, I like the rest of my makeup, so I'm gonna just keep going. So that's usually what happens when I do my makeup. Won't really have anything particular in mind. I'll just sit down and start doing it, and this is what I came up with. So I think we are getting ready to leave, so I will see y'all probably in Chattanooga. First stop, Target. Next stop, because we spent a while in Target, but I think we got all the kids stuff. I feel like this one might be more for my husband though. And third stop, hoping to, nope, I was gonna say hoping to finish up, but we can't because we have gift cards to get. Okay, so we stopped by Walmart to find Amazon gift cards, and we can't find them anywhere. We don't know if stores don't have them or what, but we did want to come and get some snacks and make a little basket for all of the delivery people because they are at our house literally every day. So we wanted to just make a little basket to show them that we appreciate them. So we are back home from Christmas shopping. It is 9:30. We actually got home about 30 minutes ago, but we've been feeding the dogs, taking them out, doing all of that. But it was a successful trip. I think we got pretty much everybody finished up but we still need those dang Amazon gift cards. So my husband said that we can buy them online and print them out, so we may end up having to do that, but I don't know, I just like an actual gift card, so I may try and run by the dollar store and the grocery store tomorrow to see if they have them. But if all else fails, we can just print them off. But as I mentioned at Walmart, I'm going to be making a basket for our delivery drivers. I think I might have saw this last year and just kept forgetting to do it. And I've been seeing a lot more this year and knew we needed to do it too because we order a lot online, and I was not kidding when I said the delivery people come to our house every day. And I feel like they are being worked extra hard this year because of all the craziness happening. I feel like a lot more people are ordering online because they don't want to go in store. And then when all the stores were closed and we couldn't go in store, but I honestly have always shopped online because to me it's just easier, and that Amazon 2-day shipping is awesome. Okay, so I thought I would show y'all putting the basket together, and we have a bunch of stuff for them. I love my husband. He is so awesome. We just kept picking out more stuff because he's like, well, we don't know what they like, so we want to make sure they have options. We have 6 different drink options. We got this, hopefully y'all can see everything, this little mini pack. It has Oreos, chocolate chip cookies, the Chips Ahoy minis, Nutter Butter Bites, and Ritz Bits. And then we also got this little pack. It has Oreos, Chips Ahoy, and then golden Oreos, and there are 2 cookies in each pack, so I think they are bigger. So he was like, let's get both because we don't know which one they would like. And then we also got some Rice Krispie treats, this pack of goldfish. So it has color goldfish, which is cheddar or just original cheddar, and then the pretzel ones. And then we also got them some trail mix. Oops. Some granola bars, just regular cheese Ritz crackers, and then we also got 2 candy bars, Kit Kat and then just Hershey's, because, well, we do have the sweets, but I mean, everybody likes candy. And then for drinks, we got water, Dr. Pepper, Coke, Sprite, and then 2 red Powerade and blue Powerade. And then I also printed off this sign, and then I'm gonna glue it on this cardboard. I thought it was fitting because this is from a box that they delivered to us. No, we have a ton of boxes, but I just wanted to glue the sign on because I'm gonna stick it in the basket where they can see it. And then we found this tub. So we got, well, obviously we got it all at Walmart, and this tub I think was just like $6 or $8, I think. But I like it because it's not very deep, so I can just set everything right in there and they can see everything. And then I'll bring this sign closer so y'all can see it. So it just says, yay, it's you, delivery drivers. Take some goodies for the road. Help yourself to as many as you would like. My husband wanted me to add that in. He's like, no, we're not going to put just take 1 or 2. You know, we want them to take however many. And then I just said, thank you for all you do. We really appreciate you. Merry Christmas. Oh, these are cute. These are the little packs of the 2 cookies. So it has the chocolate chip cookies. You can see Daisy in the background. the golden Oreos, just original Oreos. So this is a really good little pack. Okay, I guess I'll put the drinks in the back. I'll probably put about 4 waters, because I feel like that would be the most common. Daisy, no ma'am. Okay, and then I'm gonna put these little packs because they are the biggest. So I'll do a couple of biscuits. So I'm trying to think at who it was I saw making one of these the other day. I think it might have been Katie Snyder. So she put cellophane in the bottom so it kind of raised the snacks up. And I didn't think I was gonna have to do that since this was kind of shallow, but since these are kind of like mini packs, I think I might need to do that. So, hold please. Here it is. It's not the prettiest because there are so many and I wanted to make sure there was several of each kind. I don't know, I feel like I maybe need to take some out. I don't know, I'm gonna show my husband and see what he thinks. But here's the sign. I should be able to lean the sign up against the house when I put it outside. So we will see what I can do. If not, I may try and put something behind the drinks where it'll stand up more. That way they can see the sign. But there it is. It's been a while since I have ended a vlog in front of a Christmas tree, so I thought I would switch it up and end it in front of the living room tree. I even moved the dog gate so y'all could see my pretty decorations. But I really hope y'all enjoyed today's vlog, and I really want to encourage you, if you're able to make a little basket for your delivery drivers, especially if you order a lot like we do. I know that they will really appreciate it. With everything going on, plus with Christmas right around the corner, I really think it will make their day. It does not have to be this big, and it doesn't have to have this many stuff. I think they would appreciate anything. So just definitely keep that in mind, and you can even use a basket that you already had. The only thing we have is what the dog's treats and everything is in, and we don't have anywhere to put all the treats without them trying to get into it. So we just got this one. And plus, after Christmas is over, you can always use the basket or container, whatever you bought for it. But anyways, I really hope that y'all did enjoy today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. That would really mean a lot to me. But that is it for today's Vlogmas, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.